Hey guys, it's Sahara. Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. For today's video, I am going to be doing an Influenster unboxing. So on Monday, Influenster sent me an email saying that I was going to be in a Vox box, in an upcoming Vox box I was going to be receiving one. I received it Tuesday, the very next day, which I was shook about. So I guess the post office was trying to hurry up and get everyone's packages to them. Right now I'm filming this on Tuesday, but I have another video that's going up on Tuesday. It's going to be the Oogie Boogie Man right before Christmas, since it's the Nightmare Before Christmas. So I do not know when this video is going to get posted. Probably the day after Christmas, because I don't like to post my videos one after the other. That can get very annoying, but during the holidays I always seem to cram every video I have into like 1 week, because I like wait until the last minute. So apologies for that, just in case, you know, anybody gets annoyed. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started in this video. I already cleansed my face off camera. I already have like a skincare routine that I do. Like, it's only 2 products that I use. I will probably do a skincare routine in the new year to show you guys, because I don't think I've ever did one. So this is the packaging that it came in. It's the Fresh Lotus collection. So this is the Fresh Unlock the Power of Super Lotus. They sent this in this box. It's so cute. So when you open it up, it says Fresh for Radiant, can't read that backwards, resilient. That does look like silent. Resilient, youthful looking skin. By the way, if you guys noticed this, I woke up this morning and seen this on my face, and that means my unwanted friend is on its way in, so we're just gonna ignore that for today. Of course, the day that I decided to do a skincare routine where I have to completely show my bare face on camera, this comes up. So whatever. They always send one of these cards to let you know what you'll be receiving and what they want you to do. Post a review on whatever site it was from. So this is from Sephora.com, and I will check the price on these 3 items. This is the packaging that it comes in. So this is the Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer with Multi-Action Super Lotus. This is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream Super Lotus Night Recovery. And then they also sent out the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Eye Cream with Multi-Action Super Lotus. So these, I believe, are full size. I need to check the price right quick on all of these. While I'm checking the price, I just want to explain. With Influenster, I've done a couple of videos on it in the past, so I will link those down below if you guys like want to know more about Influenster. So with them, you do, most of the time you will receive products in full size, but sometimes when you receive a lot of products, they do like full size, some full size, and some I was gonna say travel size, but that's not travel size, that's the testers. You know, when you watch videos on YouTube, makeup videos and stuff like that, you will come across at least one YouTuber who has received skincare or makeup from a brand. So I have heard of this brand, but I've never tried it for myself. Is it Lotus or Fresh Lotus? Let's see. I'm like looking for the name. I think it's, what is the, oh no, the brand is called Fresh, but this specific collection of theirs is the Lotus collection. So let me correct myself on that. All right, so the night cream, which, let me take it out of the box. So like I said, this is the packaging. This one is 1.6 fluid ounces. These boxes, by the way, are heavy. When I received that, I was like, okay, so maybe I didn't receive the full size. So this is, oh my gosh, that's the day cream. Hold on, let me get it together. See what happens when you start talking and trying to do stuff at the same time. All right, so this is the night cream. I'm looking at it currently on Sephora's webpage. I received it in 1.6 fluid ounces. They have it in 2 sizes, a mini size for 0.5 ounces and a standard size for 1.6 ounces. The standard size is $48. That's a lot of money. And the mini size is $19. So, you know, it's pricey. So I'm guessing that this is like a high quality brand right here. Obviously it's at Sephora. Why wouldn't it be a high quality brand? They do have another jar that looks exactly like this, and this is the Rescue Mask. Dang, that one is like $62. That's a lot of money. Woo. Can't imagine. Can't imagine. Oh wow, they have candles too. Dang, their candles are $60. This brand is expensive. I found the big one. It's out of stock. That's why it wasn't showing up. So both of these moisturizers are $48. This is your day or night moisturizer, and this is just your night moisturizer. This eye cream is 0.5 ounces. Let's see how much this one costs. Dang, this little small one costs $45, so that's a lot of money for these products, but we'll see how it works. Let's start with the moisturizer right here. So they all come with this tape seal on it, so this will let you know if somebody tried to open it or not, but I did not open any of these yet, so I don't even know how anything smells or looks. Oh, I hate when that happens. Oh man, I thought it was gonna come up easy. Whatever, I don't have time. I'll figure it out later. It's like I have another video to do after this, so I don't have time for this. Just gonna twist it open. Oh, so it comes with one of these things right here that you have to pull up and like this, so you can use whatever is in the cap. You get a lot in here. Be careful because something's gonna drop. So you get a lot of product in here. You get a good amount. It is a frosted glass bottle. Oh, this is made in France. Well, that's why it's expensive. My Lancome makeup that I use is made in France as well. That's why it's also expensive. So I'm just gonna use what's on the cap. Feels cooling on the face. I need to apply some to my neck. Alright, so it smells like a light floral. Like it's not strong and overpowering. It's not gonna be annoying. So it's just like a light, fresh scent. I have glitter on my nose. I wanted you guys to see that the whole time. Ooh, it feels thick on the face as I'm rubbing it in. When I first touched it, it kind of felt thin. Oh my gosh, this feels so moisturizing. Okay, now I'm really starting to smell the scent. I'm guessing that this has a Lotus flower scent, which is this thing right here, I guess. I don't know. I don't know my flowers, so I don't know what a lotus looks like. Oh, rub up, rub up, rub up. Oh my gosh, this moisturizer, it feels so thick and moisturizing, and it also kind of feels hydrating. Let's see, what does this have in there? Should I read any claims? Duh. We powered a daily lightweight face cream with multi-action super lotus, a single antioxidant ingredient carefully extracted from the entire lotus plant that targets first signs of aging by boosting radiance and hydration, strengthening the skin's barrier and protecting from free radical damage. With the addition of star fruit leaf extract, the moisturizer smooths the appearance of fine lines for supple skin and youthful radiance. Apply to clean skin twice a day, morning and night. So you can use this morning or night, and then a night one of course is for night. So far my face does look like it has a glow to it. My face feels really smooth. Even these bumps that I have that are coming up on my face feel really smooth as well. So I'm just going to apply the eye cream, and it has another one of those seals. And you could just use whatever in here. You do get a lot of product, I'm not even going to lie. But it costs a lot. I'm going to use my ring finger. Just apply a little bit. So this again has that lotus scent to it. It's not itching either. Let's see, let's get right here where some people have crow's feet. We don't want that. That's like why a lot of people don't smile. To keep from getting wrinkles. It's like sooner or later I'm gonna stop doing that. It would be amazing if this eye cream can keep the concealer from creasing. Like how amazing would that be? It's not tacky or anything, but it is really thick. That's what I noticed about these products. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and apply makeup over it to see how the makeup applies. And I'm just gonna apply just a simple look today, nothing spectacular, not even liner, just some lashes probably, because I still do need to take a picture of something else, so we're gonna do that right quick. I need a thumbnail picture for my video, so that's why I am holding this up and just on the camera. I was like, let me just keep this in before I even do the makeup. After applying these two foundations, I find that they are applying a lot more dewy than they usually do. As you guys can see, there's like a super glow going on, and it's usually not this glowy, so this moisturizer seems like it's really good for dry skin, which I have combination skin, meaning like my face is pretty much normal to dry, with the exception that my nose gets oily. So I feel like this is going to be a great moisturizer for dry skin and also for any skin type during the winter months. Alright, so I just went ahead and applied some lashes off camera. I actually used my black lash glue this time, and I was hoping that when I applied it, none would get on the eye because you would be able to see it this time, since I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, just a little bit of highlighter in the inner corners, and then I drag a little bit onto the inner part of the lid. So this is how the skin is looking so far. It still feels dewy. For some reason it's not wanting to set completely with powder. Alright, so this is how the skin looks zoomed in. If you guys see any uneven lashes, that's because I did not apply mascara to blend into my lashes, and there may be makeup on my fake or my real lashes, but you know, we're gonna look past all of that. So as for the moisturizer, the makeup on top of the moisturizer, under my eye is still creasing like it normally does. I'm pretty sure you guys can see the creasing. I would be able to camouflage that creasing if I applied eyeshadow under that, but I'm not going to do that. But yeah, there's still creasing on the lid. There is creasing as well. As for like my smile lines where I get normal like creasing right there, let's see, there's not much happening. There is a little something trying to form right there, but it's definitely minimized. I noticed that because normally when I apply makeup in that area, it like leaves like a little crease smile line right there, and it's not happening as much as it normally does. So that's really good. Good step for the moisturizer. So yeah, this is how the skin is looking. It's like, let me look up, because when I look down I can see the glue trying to peek through, but yeah. And let's go to this side. Alright, okay, so we could just go through these products one last time before I end this video, because it's going to be overly long for no reason. I have the products right here, but so I don't drop them, let's just point to them using the card. So starting with the moisturizer, it felt very smooth, very thick. My nose is starting to run. It felt very smooth, very thick, very moisturizing, and the cooling, there was a little bit of cooling on the face as well when I was applying it. There is a little bit of a scent, but it's not really strong and overpowering, and it does go away. I don't even smell it on my fingers anymore, so that's really good. You get a lot of product in here as well. It is heavy and it's glass, so if it drops it will break, and that's it. $40 going down the drain unless you scoop it up and put it. And also I noticed that my smile lines are not as prominent as they usually are, and they're not like very visible. Like there's just a little bit forming right here, but I can live with that. Like it's better than what it usually is. Normally when I take a picture after applying makeup, that's all I see, and I'm like, okay, I need to smooth that out. So as for the eye cream, it felt very thick, very moisturizing. Same thing as the moisturizer. Honestly, the eye cream felt just a little bit thicker, but you do not need a lot of these products. That is something I noticed. Like I feel like I put a little bit too much on, but I did use what's in the cap, so that's good. You get a lot of product in the eye cream as well. $45 is still a lot for a little eye cream like this, but like I said, you do not need a lot. So if you do decide to purchase it, you will get your money's worth, and you apply both of these products in the daytime and at nighttime, so that's really good as well. They're versatile, so it's not just like a day cream, like a night cream. Normally they just say a night cream is for the night. I'm pretty sure people apply it through the day, but I don't know. Maybe it only works when you're sleeping. As for the night cream, like I said, I didn't try it out. I would have to try it out at nighttime, wear it overnight anyway, so I'm like, let me just skip it on that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go out and purchase these products if you want to. Get the little mini size that still costs a lot, but it's, you know, it's $19, so it's not $48. But I would definitely say that it's pretty much worth it from what I've seen. But of course, you can never say something on the first day is like, oh, this is perfect, go out and get that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear this moisturizer, use it every day for about a week, maybe 2 weeks, and then I'll come back to this video and I will comment on this video down below, and I will pin my comment and give you guys an update. That's what I do on past videos. I always go back to them and I will update to see how give you guys an update without doing an actual video, just to tell you guys how these products work. So I will let you know if it broke my skin out after this little thing goes away. I'll let you know if the moisturizer broke me out. I'll let you know how it's performing and all of that stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.